So today, as I mentioned, and as Brandon and I were chatting about, that tornado watch is in effect through 10 o'clock Central Time. But likely the tornado watch will extend further south into Brandon's neck of the woods, along Interstate 80, south and eastern Nebraska, and even into Iowa. So Omaha, you're on deck. I think Des Moines, you could potentially be on deck later today, and even into central Kansas, where it may not be a warm sector driving the convective development, but it's the dry line that's supporting the convective development, and these storms are just baking right now. I mean, temperatures are getting into the 70s, 80s throughout the day today, and while it may seem like it's 9 o'clock at night, at least here in this darker studio, I mean, it's only 3 o'clock, 2 o'clock Central Time, so we're really only getting things going. I would say the strongest storms will start to fire within the next hour, 2 hours, and then they'll reach their peak strength just before and just after sundown. But still, the chance of an embedded tornado within maybe a high precip supercell or just a supercell cluster, thunderstorm cluster, is still going to be there. So within our watch area, EF3 tornadoes, large hail up to baseball size, and winds of 85 miles per hour. Over 888,000 people under that tornado watch, and likely we'll see well over 1 million people under some type of tornado watch later today. A couple of severe thunderstorm warnings to watch out for. We were talking about this one cell that fired. I'm going to briefly touch on the storm here in Wisconsin. We were watching it. It had a little bit of rotation there, but really I was more intrigued by the hail and some lightning near Howard's Grove. Good news is it pushed just north of Sheboygan like I thought it might. It had just enough of a northeasterly movement. But notice how it does say tornado possible within it. So just throwing on our rotation, you have to zoom in really, really tight to see it. But this is just east of Plymouth and east of New Paris, where we have some upper level rotation ongoing. So let's throw on our storm relative velocity. Here's that rotation about to move over Interstate 43 and then be impactful for Lake Michigan. And it's actually into central Michigan where we have a tornado threat today, a conditional intensity group of a level 1, which means we could see a strong tornado possibly that can spawn. So that's for spots like Grand Rapids, Lansing, more so this general zone into Michigan. So while we are going to be focused, we've got our storm trackers in Nebraska, we can't forget about our friends over in Michigan, because that can always be a sneaky threat. We've now seen this thunderstorm warning go up to tornado possible, and also considerable hail growing, now up to 2 inches in diameter. This is likely going to come crashing through Spencer in just a few short moments. So if you're in Spencer, get indoors. If you have any vehicles, pets, anything you don't want to be impacted by hail, bring it indoors. You have a very short window. It'll be overhead in probably in the next 1 or 2 minutes. You do not have much time here in Spencer. Quickly looking at where the tornado possible tag and why. We're seeing some broad rotation near Spencer. This is just out to the west of Spencer. This is not an imminent tornado by any means, especially just the look of this storm. Definitely lending more to heavy rain and hail as opposed to some circulation. But I will say it's moving into the parameter space where we have a lot of wind shear and the instability still growing. So this storm is going to be one to watch. At this point, it is, if you're in Yankton, it's about 50 miles away, and these storms are moving at about, last time I checked, it was 50 miles per hour. Now we're at 45 miles per hour. So slightly, just a little bit, slightly slower, but that still doesn't really matter because it's going to be overhead in about an hour. Sioux City, let's see. For Sioux City, you guys will probably be impacted more so by a discrete supercell that develops down here and then moves east-northeast. But that complex, the one that we're tracking right now that's warned, 100 miles away, it'll probably get there in about 3 hours, so also just before sundown. But this is a prime example that it may not be a discrete supercell, but a cluster of storms that can have some embedded rotation to potentially go on to produce a tornado. So this is one severe thunderstorm warning we'll be watching, but likely our Fox Weather Alert system going to be lighting up for the next 24 hours.